right now at the photo shoot, we just got pulled over by the police. There's Oz at the window. Where is he? Oh, he walked back there. They think that something is in his trunk.
Hey, what's up guys? This is KiNO. Today we're working on a motorcycle. It's been a while. I haven't touched a motorcycle since when I was back in Hawaii. My first ride was a motorcycle and I used to ride it for like 7 years. It's been a while. My friend Alex, he needs his brake disc to be replaced, so I'm gonna help him out and he's on his way. So I'm just chilling. Let me show you one thing real quick. That is NS magazine, and supposedly we're supposed to be on there. That's NS Rounder. If you haven't seen the vlog, I'll leave a link up here, I think. This was by far like the most USDM European exotic event that we entered. And there you go. KiNO STI. And we got Akun, Lassie, and Ben. And the caption says, "This Subaru has a taste of USDM." What? Anyways, obviously we were in a wrong event. I did hear one of our friends was on this magazine as well. And, oh man, this is so weird. Usually Japanese magazines, you start from this side. I feel like I'm back in the States opening from this side. Well, I guess it's because this is like a USDM style magazine. Oh yeah, Fast and Furious. Oh, Toki Papa's there. Lost Royalty. So they got like all the replicas. Brian Supra, Suzuki's S2000. That's Toki Papa right there. Yes. Out of all these cars, like most of them are replicas, but his stuff, it's the actual movie car. If you haven't seen the video of interview I did with him, it'll be linked up here. Man, you know what? I really wish Doi-chan gets a job for car magazines, because no offense to car magazines in Japan, but the pictures, they can be better. But yeah, anyways. I think Alex is at the station, so I'm gonna head down. Let's go pick him up. Alright, so here's Alex with this motorcycle.
Nicest car I've ever seen in my life.
Alright, so we're gonna be heading down to McDonald's to eat something real quick, so I'll show you guys when I get home. Alright, so we're back at my place, and check out Alex's motorcycle. This is a Yamaha XJR1200, right?
1200, yes.
Yeah. Sweet. It's a big boy bike. And today we're gonna be working on the disc replacement. Oh, I don't know if the camera catches it. You probably see lines, yeah? It's worn out. The rear, it's worse. How's the motorcycle?
Well, it's good, and thank you very much for having me today and helping me out, and just let's hope that the parts we order will fit on the bike.
Hell yeah.
Shiny new disc.
It says Arashi, that's JDM. Yeah, it's the same size, right? The center is
Yeah,
right
actually
here.
it sounds good.
Yeah.
Nice. Right.
It looks sick too.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Okay, so this is when you know your car is classic. When you got the center stand. Most bikes, well, like I don't think any bikes come with center stand anymore. But yeah, it makes it so much easier to do maintenance work. And that's the rear one. Sick. It's like a ninja shuriken. So we're gonna start off with the front. Try to loosen this. It's really rusty, but it should be fine. You loosen it. That way, the bottom part of the fork, it should loosen up just a little so that this thing comes off. This bolt is a lock for this bolt. Okay, so quick update. We got this bolt loosened. I just need to pull it to take the front wheel off. But before that, we're gonna take the caliper off so that the brake is free. Ooh. Me and Alex were talking about painting this part because it's kind of rusty right now. And so is the carburetor, and also paint the suspension so that it gets a clean look, and maybe replace the turn signals too and the mirrors. Man, I really like this bike. Okay, so we're not even gonna take the entire wheel off. We just moved it slightly so that we could take these bolts off. We ended up deciding that we're not gonna replace this because the bolts are so old. How old is the bike?
More than 22 years old.
More than 22. So you have bolts like from on both ends. They're stripped. So we're not gonna mess with that. I don't have proper tools to like drill and fix the whole size. You know, so we're gonna try the rear end. If that doesn't work, we're just gonna give up. And he's gonna take it to the shop. I'm gonna get demonetized. Watch your language, please. All right, so we start working on the rear side. Instead of taking the wheel off first, we're gonna see if the bolts are good.
That one looks good.
Because Alex is in a rush, we're gonna rush this. I don't know if I'm gonna be filming everything. So we loosen these bolts. It seems like they're all good. All right, so the wheel's off and the rotor came off. He's trying to take it off from the caliper right now. He used parts cleaner to take all the chemicals out. And now he's placing it on the wheel. All right, so it's getting dark. Okay, let me explain real quick. Sorry about the lighting. Okay, the reason why it's taking forever is because his caliper, it's seized and it's not budging at all. So we replaced the rotor. It looks really nice, but the caliper is not going in. So we bought a special tool so that we could move the piston. Okay, to use this tool, you first put it inside.
Oh, nice. Yeah, kinda. I'm just trying to find the correct angle.
The moment you've all been waiting for. It fits. Alex can't go home. All the way back to Chiba. Sweet. Okay, that should be good. We are done with the rear disc. Looks so much better now. We're almost done.
Working hard.
And now we're bleeding the front. Oh shit, that is nasty.
It is. I think I should completely get rid of
The old ones. Yeah. Let's do that.
That's the one, right?
Yeah. All right, so we finished bleeding. The bike is back to normal. The front side, we kept the stock one just because of the bolt issue. And the rear, we replaced the disc and we finished bleeding. So it should be better, but he definitely needs new caliper because the piston seized. That's gonna be it for today. So how was the experience?
It was great. I had a great day with you, KiNO. Thank you so much, and I hope we can do this sometime again.
Yeah. Alright, so thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'm gonna close off my vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Attinerati suo odore, naprawi provere, io per intesavere. Probudi volovej vody uzavore, tako nešto više nikad ne zaborave. Jer sad je najgori rad, civilizacije pad, da se ne dogodi glad.